Alright, in today's video, we got Trevor's bastardized lift here, which put JK suspension in his TJ. But now that his sway bar links are broken, he picked up these Rubicon Extreme Duty sway bar disconnects. And these things, I'm telling you, are pretty darn beefy, so we're going to install them. Pretty good quality too, I must say. As you can see right here. Yeah, that sway bar's toast popped right out. Can make for some dangerous driving. Installation won't be that hard. The only thing that might be a little bit hard is pulling out this bottom pin. Don't know how much of a bastard that's gonna be, but we're gonna start removing everything. There we go. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, right now we're at 0 degrees, so according to instructions, it's got to come up 10 degrees, so you got to adjust it till it comes up to right there. Man, that goes on slick, eh?
Oh, God, it's too easy.
Alright, I'm going to end the video there of installing the Rubicon Express sway bar disconnects on Trevor's Jeep. I'm actually quite impressed with them. With building my Jeep a few years back, there's been a lot of low quality, high priced crap out in the market, but the Rubicon Express, I am very impressed with it. I'm going to consider them for future parts to put on my Jeep. But anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.